Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to use search criteria to get product from Magento 2 API. First, generate access token using your admin username and password. Create new post request and enter your store URL, along with this endpoint. Enter your Magento admin username and password. Then create new post to add product using endpoint in the description. Copy the token and paste in the authorization section as bearer token. The following example returns all product items whose category gear attribute includes the value 86. You can read our post to learn more about search criteria, link in the description below. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,